Hello, hello, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yoga, an information system studying at Best University. This time, I will make a presentation for the mid semester exam segment. For the first segment, the presentation is about software and operating system. So, let's get started. What is software? A collection of instructions or programs executed by computer software consists of programs that function to tell the computer what to do. This program contains specific instructions such as how to manipulate data, control hardware, or interact with the user. Every software, from a simple application to an operating system, contains lines of code that determine the step the computer must take. Not physical on hardware such as keyboard or monitor. This means that software cannot be seen or touched as it consists only of digital data that resides in diffused memory storage. An introduction with the software called doc a user interface that allow the user to interact with the software. With software, a computer will idiom and unit to do anything, even if it has sophisticated hardware. Software control the process, interaction, and output product by a computer. Type of software. Application software. This software is designed to help user perform specific tasks or function. Example, Microsoft Word, above Photoshop, web browser. System software. This type of software manage and control the hardware component of a computer system. It acts as a bridge between the user and the hardware. Example, operating system, device drive, programming software. These tools developed with this and debug software program. Example, compiler, text editor, debuggers. What is operating system? An operating system is the core software that manages computer hardware, provide command service running various other software application. The operating system is link between the user application software and hardware. Key function of U operating system. OS. Process management. The The OS is responsible for managing and organizing process running on the computer. The process refers to the program being run, be it user application such as a browser, a system process such as text manager, memory management function. The OS is responsible for managing computer memory RAM. Memory is used to store temporary data that is being used by running process. Device management. The organization manages hardware connect to the computer such printer, keyboard, monitor, and hardware drive. The file system management, the operating function, the operating system is responsible for managing data storage in the form of files, s- security, and access control. Function, the OS protect the system from authorized access and users that only authorized user can access data or resources. User interface function, the OS provides a way for user to internet with the computer edge, talk, text, or a graphic dis- display GUI. Type of operating system. Type of operating system. Batch operating system. Characteristic use not require direct interaction with the user. How it works, program are collected and executed on by one automatically. Advantage efficient for rate and repetitive job time to time sharing OS characteristic many user can use the system simulation. Wha- how it works, CPU time is divided into each process in turn. Example, Unix multi 3 distributed OS. The system runs on separate computers that are connected to each other but locked like a single system. How this works? Tests are divided into several computers for real-time OS characteristic responsive to input and process data very quick and time used for intelligence control system robotic attached. 5. Mobile operating system characteristic designed specifically for mobile device smartphone tablets furniture sport touch screen sport touch screen wireless communication and mobile application desktop operating system Windows is easy to use with medium security. Mac OS stable expensive high security. Linux it is free, very secure, requires technical knowledge. Cloud operating system Chrome OS, Google Lightweight OS for Chromebooks, browser-based and cloud-based. VMware Ware XCIE OS for running virtual machine on software widely used in data center. Promex VA open source OS for software and content virtual AC to use. Different between OS and operating system. computer, ROR, operating system, manage hardware and system, software, provide user specific text, defendants, run direct and hardware, using on us to run, example, Windows, Linux, macOS, software, My Word, Chrome, Photoshop, request for system, operating OS, yes, request for the computer to run, software, no, but as function. That are the expression about software and operating system. Next, we will discuss hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is the physical component of computer or information technology system that can be seen and touched. Direct hardware function to execute command given by software as well as process, store, and display data. Main hardware component: motherboard, the main component where all the hardware is connect the CPU, RAM, storage, and other device. CPU Central Processing Unit, known as the brain of the computer, the CPU responsible for running process and processing data. RAM, temporary memory, stores data and process current being used by the CPU. The rarer the RAM, the faster the system can handle multitasking tasks. Storage, hard disk drive or solid state drive is used permanent storage the operating system program and user files. Power supply unit converts electric current from the power source into a current suitable for computer component. CPU process graphic data essential for gaming, graphic design, and video-based application can be integrated into the CPU and stand alone. Cooling system include fast heating and liquid cooling system to keep component temperature stable. Casing the physical housing for a hardware component which prevent protects and good wildfire. Type ha- type of hardware. Hardware input. The device is used to enter data or command into a computer. Example: keyboard, mouse, keyner, webcam. Hardware process. This component process incoming data to produce output. Example: CPU, GPU, RAM. Hardware output. Output hardware display or output the result of data processing. Example: monitor, printer, speaker. Hardware storage. This hardware is used to store data permanent or temporary. Example: HDD, SSD, flash drive, CD, or DVD. That is the assembly of hardware, software, and operating system. This their component complement each other and are the main foundation in computer system. With hardware, software cannot be run with software and use your OS. Hardware will not function. And with an operating system, user cannot interact with two devices essentially. Happily for this material can provide a clear understanding of how computers work as well. Thank you.